Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to design this animated extended search bar. So let's get started. This is the demo frame where I am going to put my extended search bar. So let's first create the search bar. First I am going to take a rectangle tool, so press R. I want its width 300 pixel, height 60 and its rounded 50 pixel. Let's change its color. I am going to use a search icon, so let's open the plugin. Font Awesome. I am going to get this icon, close the plugin. Let's place this. I want its width 24 pixel. Let's place this icon. Let's change its color, something like that. Okay, I'm to type a search, so let's get the type tool, press T. Let's increase the font size 16. Okay, its font family Poppins, font weight regular and font size 16 pixel. Now select all of them and press Ctrl G. Let's create a component, add variant. I am going to decrease its width. And in this variant, let's hide this text also, so pass through 0. Add another variant. Here I want to show my search text, so pass through 100%. Add another variant. Here I want a blinking cursor, so I want to draw a line, so press L, hold shift and draw the line. Let's position this line, center it, and here again hide the search text, so pass through 0. Add another variant. Here I want to hide the line, so pass through 0 and back the search text. Here I want to type John Doe. I want to darken this text color a little bit. So let's prototype. First I am going to select this one and it's going to be on click, smart animate 200 millisecond, and it's going to be after delay 1 millisecond. On click, smart animate and 200 millisecond. It's going to be key, press J, 250 millisecond. And the last one is going to the first one. It's going to one click, smart animate and 300 millisecond. Okay, our prototype is complete. So hold Alt and drag this one and to resize this, so press K. I think it's okay. So let's select the demo frame and hit the play button. Let's fit the screen first. What next you want me to do? Let me know in the comment below.